If you're thinking about buying one of these Dyson Purifier hot+cools and you're wondering just how loud or how quiet it is, well, in this video I'll be testing out the fan speeds. I have my decibel meter here and we're going to find out just how loud it is. Now, as far as a decibel rating, if you walk into your local public library, it's going to be about 40 to 42 decibels. A normal soft talking voice is around 65 decibels. A lawnmower is around 85 to 90 decibels. So let's go ahead, test it out, and see what we get. I've got the decibel meter on. I've got the Dyson set on fan speed 1. So let's take a look and see what the decibel reading is. Right around 41 decibels. And I cannot hear that fan hardly at all. I can feel a little bit of air, but I can barely hear it. So we're going to do this all the way up to fan speed 10, so you have a good idea of what this is going to sound like if you purchase it. Now we're at fan speed 2. It looks like we're just bumping against 42 decibels. So let's go ahead and check fan speed 3. About 43.5 decibels. Fan speed 4. Now I'm about 6 feet away and I can kind of hear it now. I can definitely tell something is running. So this is probably going to be around 45, 46 decibels. We're right at about 46.2. So now we're at fan speed 5. So this is kind of like a medium speed. We're halfway to 10. About 49 decibels, fan speed 6. About 52 decibels, fan speed 7. Right at about 55 decibels, fan speed 8. Now if you have this in your living room and you're watching television at fan speed 8, you're probably going to need to be turning up your TV. So we're at about 56 decibels, fan speed 9. About 59 decibels and fan speed 10. This is as loud as it's going to get. So we're at about 64 decibels at fan speed 10. So that's one nice thing about the Dyson. You have 10 speeds to choose from. It's highly customizable. You go from speed level 1, which you can barely hear when you're right next to it, all the way up to level 10, where that's going to be like someone is just having a conversation right next to you. So like I said, if you have this in a living room watching TV, you're going to have to turn up your TV once you hit about level 8. But if you just want like white noise, you know, if you're going to have it in your bedroom to help you kind of sleep at night, you know, maybe around fan speed 5 or 6 is going to be just right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you make an informed decision on whether or not maybe you want to purchase this unit. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.